Vybz Kartel kids ask their mom, where daddy there? Where's daddy? Where's Vybz Kartel? But Vybz Kartel reply with this song, where daddy there? So this is the review for where daddy there. Stick around.
Mommy, where me daddy there? She say, go sit down now. Little boy, go sit down now.
So people, first me have to tell you about this song. This song is not necessarily a normal song. It's not the songs that you hear Kartel making of lately. So it's not a girl song. It's not a party song or anything like that. This is a very reality song. And guess what? Vybz Kartel is telling his story. Vybz Kartel is showing the world what's happening in his life. Because we all know his situation already. Based on the fact that Vybz Kartel has been in jail since 2011, you see me? And you know, say from time to time, Vybz Kartel kids them get to go visit him in prison, and we see couple of those pictures where them get to visit him in prison. But guess what? Vybz Kartel is not in the streets, he's not in the home, he's not in the family home. So when the kids them come home from a hard day of school, they are not greeted by their dad. They probably get a one phone call where them can call them father, but it's still going to be behind the bars. So Vybz Kartel really explain, him go deep in his personal life and I show it to the world. He might explain to everybody what really took place, and that's why I have to love this song. You see me? So listen, Vybz Kartel, where daddy there?
Get to youth of it, other father never did around for his son or daughter. Baby girl, it's a wide world. You know daddy there beside her. Yeah, she have to take C-sec. Yeah, she just done prefect. Now is the time when she want love. Now make no man spoil her up.
So you see, that part there is a very, very important part. You see me? People will have girl pitney, you see me, them always say, yo, if you need to pay attention to your girl child more than your boy child. But on a big man level, both kids them you need to pay attention to, because them can get caught up in the system. But the part that with Vybz Kartel I say, yo, a girl want to turn the C-sec and she you see me, basically must say she grew up now. You see me, she now probably early mid-teens this so you see it. And what? Be a boys are gonna start get attracted to her. Be a man are gonna start get attracted to her. Some little pedophile man are gonna try step to her and stuff like that. And Vybz Kartel is not necessarily there to show her that love, you see me, for sure, that care in person. Mind he might have do it over the phone, he might have do it between visits and stuff, but for him to be physically there, it's very important, and that Vybz Kartel I talk about in other part of the song there. So people, in this review, I'm not gonna necessarily do a line by line review, because this song is powerful and this song is plain and straight, and you see me, and the story is Vybz Kartel really missing kids. And guess what? This rhythm is produced by Donwell Productions. And Donwell posts this status on his Instagram page, and it kind of touched me away, so I have to put it in the review.
Where me daddy there? Mommy, where me daddy there? She say, go sit down now. Little boy, go sit down now. Where me daddy there? Mommy, where me daddy there? She say, go sit down now. Little boy, go sit down now.
And this how it done well, let's say. Almost a year ago, I got the opportunity to visit Vybz Kartel in prison. As jovial and strong as his spirit was, he still expressed how much he missed his children. Despite what society might paint, I know firsthand that this man is an amazing father. You see me? So that done well post on his official Instagram page, and that is the producer for this track. You see me? So basically, you done to say it a go rough. It must rough. Me never in the position, so me can't say, yo, me know how it is. But for those of who in the position and been there before, just comment in the comment section. Me know say one post can determine how rough it is. But if I even just try to explain or even say, yo, I was in that position. You see me? So right now, we want Vybz Kartel to come around. The Gaza people, them want to see Vybz Kartel. In family, want to see Vybz Kartel. Even Shorty want to see Vybz Kartel. And quite frankly, me want to see Vybz Kartel too. Because we want him to freely to deliver hits. And mind you, I say hits, because this song have to be a hit. We want him to deliver hit song like this. You see me? So make us play a little more of the song now.
Enough get on you life wasted. You know see the pain and the struggle them face with. Society classes and races. Them want we mask with black faces. But everything I just time. And everywhere I just cry. Politician I tell lie. Yeah, me feel like cry when the little boy say, where me daddy there?
So another thing what I really love about this song is how Vybz Kartel just flow easy on the rhythm. And this rhythm is a very good rhythm. Them don't use a lot of instrumental. You see me? It's mostly, I don't really want to say acoustic because it's not necessarily acoustic, but it's mostly acoustic type instrumental. Meaning it's some free flow, easy flow, low tempo stuff. You see me? So when the rhythm compile the rhythm like that, we can clearly hear what Vybz Kartel is saying. You see me? And then the rhythm just put you in a, I don't want to say depressing mood, but it put you in a mood where you really get to pray the words of the song, and that's important because in this song, we really want people to listen to the word. And I feel that that's the same aim. You see me? That is the aim what Done Well did I try when him create this beat. So overall, I feel like say this project is a good project. And I say a while ago, I feel like say this is a hit song. A matter of fact, I know say this is going to be a big hit song.
Well, hello, Mr. Parker. Don't say a line of get a youth want work. We never go to no Harvard, but we want our hard earned. Yeah, the key is the love read, and the aim is to proceed. Now is the time when she want love. Now make no man spoil her.
So, you know, say me is a youth where me like to hear melodies and me like to hear harmonies. Once you watch my previous reviews, any song when me review where it have a good harmony, me always try highlight it because I feel like said those particular persons sometimes them get undermining. Anyway, yo, the person we deal with the harmony from that for that song, yo, but I really want to comment them name in the comment section because I can't pick up the voice here and it bad. You see me? If you notice, oh, she yo, the compilation of this track, it bad. I'm not telling a lie. And people, comment in the comment section also if you feel like say this song is going to be on Vybz Kartel new album Exile Pharaoh, because this song certainly sound like a album song. It doesn't sound like a single. It doesn't sound like a really everyday. This sound like something a part of a project. And make a pretty word Exile Pharaoh. You see me? We know say Pharaoh mean a ruler. You see me? That it mean. Chaddy? Yeah man, that it mean. You see me? And the term exile meaning to be shunned or to be cast away. Zine? So we know say Vybz Kartel is cast away from his house. Cause in the jail, he can't forward. And we don't know say Vybz Kartel is a ruler already because him say Gaza and he's a stronghold in dancehall. So me I wonder if this is really like a part of the album. If you feel so still, just comment in the comment section. You see me? But we're still waiting on the album, and this would be one of the perfect songs to go on the album. You see me? So people, it's really been a long while since we get anything from Kartel, from Vybz Kartel in this nature. And I know said that song here I got touch some people heart. You see me? Because yo, as I say, it must be a bad feeling for a kid to ask their mom where daddy there. You see me? And even for the mother, it must be a way for the mother. For the mother can't say, yo son, you know say daddy there prison. him get charged for murder or something like so. Which we all know say we live in a social media age where they must know. But for the mother physically telling their son or daughter that their father has been incarcerated, yo, that must be a hard feeling. You see me? So Vybz Kartel, good song. Me I go give that song a 10 out of 10. If me couldn't give that song a 20 out of 10, I would. Believe me. I love that song. I feel like say that song I will continue play. And I feel like say this is going to be one of the high point of Vybz Kartel career in a 2019. You see me? So if you don't feel that way, just comment in the comment section below. You see me? And comment again. Free Vybz Kartel. You see me? More on hashtag it in the comment section. Free Vybz Kartel. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, let me know what you think about my review. Let me know what you think about this song. You feel like it's a good song. And by the way, I'm not expect nobody to comment in the comment section and say them feel like say this song is trash. No matter which side they are cheer for. You see me? This song bad. Give what is due to Caesar. Make it give him to Caesar. You see me? Don't thief it. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.